In today's video, let us discuss about how many watts in 1 ampere. This question might be asked in many interviews, so it is a very important topic to discuss. Before understanding how many watts in 1 ampere, let us understand what is what. Watt is the SI unit of power, and this power is also equivalent to 1 joule per second. And if you search what is watt in the internet, you might get a common definition such as watt is rate of consumption of energy in an electrical circuit where the potential difference is volt and the current is ampere. Let us try to decode this definition. So this definition says watt is represented with W and volt is with V and ampere with I. Okay. So if you decode this definition, it is nothing but watt equals to voltage into current, and this formula is used only for DC circuits because in DC there is no power factor. If you are talking about single phase AC circuit, then watt equals to voltage into current into cos phi. This cos phi is your power factor. This is for single phase AC circuit. Whereas when it comes to three phase AC circuit, watt equals to root 3 times of voltage into current into power factor, that is cos phi. This is for three phase AC circuit. So in an interview, if they ask you 1 ampere of current is flowing through a circuit, so how much wattage or power is this circuit consuming? Then you have to answer this question by using any of these three formulas. Before solving the question, you have to ask the interviewer three main questions. Those are, your first question will be whether it's an AC circuit or a DC circuit. And the second question should be what is the voltage value? Because he is asking you 1 amp of current, you have the I value from this formula, you does not have V, so you have to ask what is the voltage value. And the third question will be, if it's an AC circuit, then what is the power factor? If they're not giving you any power factor, we'll take power factor is equal to 0.8. This is standard, so we are taking it 0.8. Okay, when you ask these three questions and when they give you these three answers, you are ready to go with the question. Let us solve few questions and understand this topic. So in the first question, interviewers say he's taking an AC circuit and the voltage is 230 volts and your power factor is 0.8. So we have to find the watt. So watt equals to, so it's a single phase AC circuit. So wattage equals to, you know the formula, voltage into current into cos phi, your power factor. So you know the voltage, it is 230 volts, your current is 1 and your cos phi, your power factor is 0.8, and your wattage will be 184 watt. Okay, when it's in three phase AC supply, your voltage will be 440 volts and your power factor is same 0.8. And you know your current is always 1 because the question is for 1 amp of current how much wattage you are getting. So in this formula, wattage equals to root 3 times of V into I into cos phi. Substitute the values. Root 3 means you can write the equivalent value for root 3 is 1.73 into voltage is 440 into current is 1 and cos phi is 0.8. So then the value will be around 608.96, which is equivalent to 609 watt. Okay, I hope you have understood. Sometimes the interviewer might try to trick you because you'll be in a tensed mode. He might say your voltage is 12 volts and it's a DC supply and your power factor is 0.8. Then you have to tell him that DC does not have a power factor. So just substitute the formulas, wattage equals to V into I. This is in the case of DC, right? So there is no power factor. Then it is simple, 12 into 1 and your wattage is 12 watts. I hope you have understood the video. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. This is Sandeep Shaktri signing off.